What if we could unlock the secrets of the smallest building blocks of our world? What if we could manipulate atoms and molecules to create new materials, devices, and technologies that we never thought possible? This is the world of nanotechnology, and in this video, we'll explore how this incredible science is changing our world. But before we start, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, publish it, and press the like button, as this helps us a lot in publishing more wonderful inventions and more technology. Nanotechnology is a field of science that involves the manipulation of matter on an incredibly small scale, often at the level of individual atoms and molecules. This technology is opening up a whole new world of possibilities for the development of new materials, devices, and applications that were once thought impossible. One of the most exciting applications of nanotechnology is in the field of medicine. With nanotechnology, we can create targeted drug delivery systems that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, minimizing the impact on healthy cells and reducing side effects. We can also develop nanoparticles that can target and destroy tumors, providing a powerful new tool in the fight against cancer. Nanotechnology is also transforming the field of electronics, allowing us to create devices that are smaller, faster, and more powerful than ever before. With the development of new materials like graphene and carbon nanotubes, we can create electronics that are flexible, transparent, and even self-healing. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for wearable devices, flexible displays, and even electronic skin. In the field of energy, nanotechnology is helping us to create more efficient and sustainable energy sources. With the development of nanomaterials like perovskite solar cells, we can create solar panels that are more efficient and cost-effective than traditional silicon solar cells. We can also create nanogenerators that can harvest energy from our movements, potentially powering everything from wearable devices to buildings. But with all of these exciting possibilities come ethical and social considerations. As we continue to explore the world of nanotechnology, we must also consider the potential risks and unintended consequences of this powerful technology. We must work to ensure that the benefits of nanotechnology are shared equitably across society and that the risks are mitigated before they become a problem. In conclusion, the world of nanotechnology is an incredible frontier of science and technology, with endless possibilities for advancement and innovation. As we continue to explore this amazing science, we must also be mindful of the responsibilities that come with it and work to ensure that the benefits are shared equitably and the risks are mitigated. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of nanotechnology.